Definitely a hint of watermelon in the air.
Hey, celebrating hitting 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. What are we going to do today?
Blow up some melons.
Oh, that's so good!
That's so cool.
2 pounds of Tannerite this time. You tell us how much we should blow up at 30,000. Can't wait to see what we do next.
Remember, we're here to reach guys for Christ. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. That's our main mission above anything else. And reach out to us. We'd love to communicate with you.
Remember, you're made in the image of God and He loves you.